Hello, 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 hello. Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Live from Miami, it's Capital Trade Center. I am Alberto German and I'm going to be reading the market live, real time as it's happening for all of us right here. Minute to minute, tick by tick. In other words, in front of all you professional traders. Okay, let's see what we have for today. Okay, sound test.
Good morning, Capi.
Good morning, Mystique. All good? Good morning?
Yes.
All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I can tell you right off the bat that that the market is in a tough to read condition. Right off the bat. All right, so so this 93, just 1 point below this 94 that we just placed. Our real low is 93, not 94, like the market just placed. All right. The first strong support is 87. Clean break of 93, which I don't see happening. Market is gonna be looking to go to 87. All right. So we have this 2 point range here, 93, 94, that the market is. It's gonna be dancing with us, we think, all right? Unless this wave right here becomes a bull wave, and then we have higher odds that it's not gonna take, and then this thing is gonna continue going up. We don't have that yet, okay? And then this wave is 08, 94, okay? And to the upside, we have 22. All right, so we have target 1 for the bulls is, ladies and gentlemen, for now is 22. And target 1 for the bears is 87. All right, so time is early. We don't know what type of wave this is. We still have to let the markets tell us. All right, so let's go ahead and do this and see what's going to happen here at this low. All right, but I'm telling you, it's extremely, the market is all over the place. There is a lot of surprise move coming. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, okay, all right. So pretty much this is what we wanted to know, right?
Right.
Okay, so right, so the high of this wave is 08. The low is 94. Of course, price already broke it. All this action to 90, right? This 91, right? These 3 points. A little bit of oversold condition, but we all know oversold, right? We know the price can continue being oversold until the undisciplined depletes its account, right?
Right.
All right, so of course 401 is resistance. I'm not expecting the price to take it. If the price goes all the way to 41, that's going to be a nice risk-reward ratio entry, as long as the conditions don't change. By the time the price reaches 401, then I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 87, 80, and 67. All right? Market is out of balance. We all know what that means. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the back burner, all of this, and we're gonna, all right, and then if we're wrong and the price breaks 01, then it's gonna be looking to go to a 2 point range 08, 10 for 10, 408. Okay, let's see what is the smart money really up to this morning. Okay. And that's pretty much our plan for today. We always gotta have a plan. Oh, look at that. Price coming right back up to the low of the wave, right? This is gonna be a lot of shenanigans here. This is gonna be a tough open, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you, market is out of balance. We have a couple of surprise moves that they're hitting trend. There's a whole bunch behind this and a lot of manipulation today. Period. That's all there is to it. All right. So price goes to the pivot high right here, 97. Cannot take it. Why? Because we are in a bearish wave, right? Okay. Oh my God, how about the 401 here? This is what we have to watch real close. It's this 97 401, 4 points, all right? But remember, 97, this 97 right here is the first resistance, right? So, okay, so we're expecting a recoil of our 97 right here that we've had for a while. And perhaps some chop here because the overall market direction is sideways. But this short-term wave, I already told you, is bearish. So the play is short, expecting the price to eventually, finally, just take the low 94 like it already did. Of course, smart money, it's bringing it up so that you can take the stops of all the weak bears. But our bet is that it's going to go to the other side than the one that is going right now. Okay, so we have 97, and have to see how the price behave here. This is no man's land, 97 401, and I'm expecting the price not to take 401. If it does, then we're going to watch it, and we're going to be pissed off because we're not long, right? And it's going to break 01 and continue to 08, 10. I prefer to be pissed off, Mystique, and
crying.
and be flat than than crying, exactly. All right. Okay, so smart money continue taking the stops of the medium-term players. All right. Okay, remember, ladies and gentlemen, that we're having a whole bunch of surprised moves, okay? All righty then. Okay. All right, so the recoil began here at 99. Okay, 99 is going to be really important. Okay, 99, 401. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so, all right. Okay, 400, right? 401, we're going to watch it. 401, here we go. Boom, right?
1, yep.
Okay, 401.
You said at 9:13 that it was going to 401.
Okay,
and
so
then we're going to watch it.
Exactly. So let's go ahead and pulse it out, like right, pulse it out. Okay, right. 401, 408. Okay. If there is no new reading, if there is not a new rotation right here, then we are expecting a recoil, right? Oh my God, Capi, we should have gone long. Of course we should have. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I didn't see it. I didn't see it was gonna go so beautifully all the way to 03. We are pulsing it out, right? We are pulsing it out, okay? All right. All right. So what is the tactic, right? We're pulsing it out. We are expecting a recall off of 401k, right? On the first break, price goes all the way to 03, right? That's our cue to be sure, right? And price goes all the way here, and then it goes back to 01. We get the hell out, break even, right? It goes here, it goes to 4.5, and then it comes right back down to 01. We know there is no continuation to the downside. We are expecting 08 and 10 still to hold, right? So the play is still sure, right? But now we want to be sure at a better risk reward, right? Okay. Hey, no, Capi, come on. No, I didn't get out the 401, man. I'm willing to take that 10 and have an average sure 05. No, that's not a good idea. Alrighty, because remember that the market is out of balance. There is surprise moves. There are hidden trends. There is a lot of manipulation. Everything that I've been telling you since 9 a.m. So, no. Alrighty? It either works right away from us, or we just take it easy. Is that 401 again, Mystique?
Yes, it is.
Alrighty then. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna have to just play it, We gotta just have to stick with the plan, alrighty?
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, stick with the plan. Right, so we have to put up with all the manipulation, but the drop is coming, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so oh my God, Capi, so it took 401, right? So that became support. It will be broken. All right, so remember the strategy. A strategy in the middle, right? The mid range, right? Sure, the 405. Okay, the 405. Okay, it's the mid range, right? What was it that I said, Mystique? 405, right? The mid range short?
Yes.
All right. 405, okay. All righty then. Okay, look at that. That's pretty nice, right? Okay. 30 seconds ago, I told you 01 is going to be taken, so the mid range of 5 is working okay, and we're going to stick to the plan, all right? Sure, the price never went to OA where we wanted to take a full position, right? It doesn't matter. The conditions are so tough, and smart money are gonna manipulate it so much. It's okay that we have a small position size. All right, let's just ride it. I told you. Right? It's going to break 01. Boom, it's breaking 01 beautiful. All the way from 05, those of you who took the mid-range, from 05, right, to 90 and change right here. It's going to be a little bit of support. And, okay, so, oh my God, so Capi, can I get out here? Can I just, yeah, I took the 05 short, and the price just went to, 98, 97. So that's only 8 points. Capi, can I take some here? No. I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 93. Okay. There we go. 93. All right. So this pivot low right here, 90 whatever it is, 97. I'm expecting the price to take it and continue to 93, 94. All right, and then 93, 94, that's going to be target 1. 93, 94 is target 1. Oh my God, Capi, look at that, man. Oh my God, I want to lock in some 8 points right here, right now, man. I know, I understand. Tough today. Okay. 95.75, right? So we're going to call it 96. right? We stick with the plan. We stick with the plan. I don't know about what, 30 seconds, 45 seconds before this break right here at 9:44 for mistake. That's when I said that the price was going to take the 401, right?
Yes.
And then 30 seconds later, it took it. Beautiful 401 all the way to 96, right? That's 5 points from the 01. And of course, 5 more from the 05. And we're going to stay with the plan until I tell you otherwise. Oh my God, Capi, I wanted to look here, man, 96. And, you know, and look, it's going up. I know, it's tough today. Right? The market is out of balance. There is a whole bunch of surprises, but the odds are that that it's going to continue going down. Not that it's going to find support somewhere around here before our target, and then it's going to go back up all the way. That's not going to happen. Let me rephrase that. The odds are that that's not what's going to happen. What's going to happen is exactly what I told you, and that's why we're short right here. 05. 01 break, and we're gonna let it ride 93, 94. We're gonna see how it gets there, and then we go to target 2. That's it. You stick to the plan. That's 94 mistake. Is it 94 to the tick? All right, 93.75, 93.50. Look at that.
50, yep.
So yeah, you know why it's bouncing? Because all of you guys are looking here 94, the high of our range. I told you, let it ride to 94, 94, 93. What's the mid-range again? 93 half. Look at that mistake.
93 half.
93 half. Tell me that that's not witchcraft.
It is.
Right? Look at that. 93 half. Look at it. All right? Look at that beautiful thing. All right. So target 1, we are officially out, and we have 2 more targets to the downside. Let's see if we read that the market is going to do something different, then we are going to we're going to get rid of those units, and then let's see if we go long. We haven't taken any longs today, right, Mystique? Look at this. We had nothing since 9 a.m. I have nothing have you had anything telling you to go long this morning, Mystique?
No.
Nothing? I don't have anything either.
Not a
That's why we missed this beautiful move up, move up. What can I say? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so, all right, so we all know that, what was it, right? We all know that this one right here, we all know that 403 is resistance. Okay, so the bulls are determined to take the price still to 410.08. Well, all right, we're gonna build back better. Okay, we're gonna build back better. Alrighty, another nice, beautiful bounce that we're not long from here, from 94, Mystique. Look at that, 94.02. That's 8 points that we're not taking advantage of. Unless, of course, everybody knows that target 1 is an automatic counter trend long, right? So yes, for the counter trend long, right, because the price went to our target 1, then with a small position long, but our main play remains bearish.
Papa is counter trend, he's +9.
+9, all right, beautiful. Off of the target 1, terrific. All righty then. That's right. That's a nice play that you took, that to the tick, right? Our counter trend long, 94, right? To the tick. That's beautiful. Look at that. Alrighty, look at that. Full full retracement. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we never let a winner turn into a loser, and we still have our, okay, hold on a second, ladies and gentlemen. Right, of course, 0810 is target 1 for the counter trend long 94, right? 94, 0810. So what's going on here? I'm going to tell you, Mystique. Jumping the gun, right? Those bears like us that believe that being short is going to give us a nice run. They're not going to let away. They're not going to let the price go all the way to 810. They're jumping the gun right here at 7. Right? FOMO. All right. Okay. Right. We knew we have 3 and 05, right? These were our resistances, right? Those traders that took the 05 again, right? The counter trend takes your trail. You're never gonna let a winner turn into a loser. Price goes back to, of course, to the double top, right? Right here, build back better, right? At what time did I say a mistake that we're gonna build back better? The short. Okay, I know. I said about 10 minutes ago, right?
15 minutes ago.
Okay, so price goes to 7, right? We build back better. We still believe that shorting the resistance is a good play. Why? Because we have direction. And what's the direction? Sideways. I haven't changed it, have I? Right, Mistake?
You have not.
That's right. I haven't changed it because it hasn't changed. All right. And yeah, I know that we've missed these 2 beautiful move up for the main play. We took this one for the counter trend only, right? So we are with a small position, but I'm telling you, it's perfectly okay. All right? Because the market is so difficult to read today, I prefer to be up 10, 12, 13 points with a small position than not be in a position at all. All right, and then we're back short with the main play, right here at the 06, and so far it is the uptrend, the one that it's been working nice, right? So pretty much we've been fighting the trend, and even though we're fighting the trend, we made, right, look at that, from 94 to 05, we made 11 points on our first trade short, in which we are fighting the longer term, and then with the short term we make another 12 points with a small position, I know, with the micros, and now we're back short main play, and we are still expecting the market to leap up and down, right? 94, 410, 410, 94, 44, 410. Until eventually the market's gonna reveal itself. It hasn't revealed itself yet. So in the meantime, we're gonna continue scalping. Right, Mystique?
Yes.
It's a razor sharp. Those of you who waited completely all the way for our exact level 08 short, we just got a razor sharp entry. Price goes to 8.5, pick us up, and the rest is history. That's 05, so that's +3, and we have to continue fighting these bulls. All right, these bulls are full of bull. All righty, I know it's not gonna be easy, right? Because everybody thinks that it's gonna continue going up, right? All right, we'll see about that. And that's the main characteristics of a professional trader, right?
Right.
Eventually, the market is going to tell us, "Hey, listen, you should have been long with the main position and short with the other one, right?" Well, again, long 94, target 108, right? 08, 10 if you are aggressive, but the official target is 08 from the 94 long counter trend. Again, I prefer to have 94, right? 94, 04, 08. That's 14 points that we just made on this counter trend, right? 14 points that we made on this 94 long, 14 points, and a razor, not to mention that it was a razor sharp entry as well.
Right.
So on a day like today, Mystique, think about that. Our entry, last two, are razor sharp entry. 94, target 1, like I said, 08, that's 14 points. And the entry short, 08, is another entry, razor sharp entry. And let's go down, baby. Alrighty, okay. And as I was saying, as the trait of the professional trader, right? Eventually, I'm waiting for the market to reveal itself to me and tell me, "Hey, listen, Capi, what's going on, Mr. Market?" No, I'm going up, man. You've been going counter trend, with the small position, and it should have been a red because I'm planning in continue going up, break 810 and continue to 22, buddy. That's where I'm going later today. Well, I'm waiting for the market to call me and tell me that. Until it doesn't, we're gonna continue with our plan. We know that if we are wrong and this move up is not a bull trap, we're gonna change hats to bull. We're gonna buy support, and we're gonna be expecting the price to go test the high right here and continue from 10 to 22, 12 more points. You hang in there and you don't do it until I tell you. So, what's the plan for the counter trend long that we are right here, 94? Target 1, 08, 10. Target 2, 22. What do you think it is? Oh my God, Capi, but that's crazy, man. That's too much for me. Go sell real estate, but this is the way it's done. Hey, I tell you what, I'm just going to stay with the main play short at 08, man. And if it goes back up, I get the hell out and I'll just go play tennis. All right, but we're gonna be covered both ways, right? Never let a winner turn into a loser. Right, so the counter trend long 94, price goes all the way to 94, right? That's gonna be support. Look, it's gonna be a triple top, right? So that's gonna be again target 1 for our short 08. Target 1, right? Beginning right here, right? We want to see a clean. It's not gonna happen, but we want to see a eventual break of 400, right? That's easy. Even the teenagers on YouTube know that. So we wanna see eventually a break of 400, and then 97, 400 is gonna give us a little bit of a hard time, and then let's ride this baby all the way again back to 94. All right. So the counter trend long 94 that we took right here at 951. Just gave us 14 points. We know it's target 1. We lock 14 points. We go short again, main play, razor sharp entry, and we're gonna let it ride all the way back to 94. I want to see a teenager on YouTube do that. Is that 96, Mystique? 96, 98, 98, 97, 96. Breaking nicely. 94, 93, ladies and gentlemen. Again, target 1 for the main position, shore, razor sharp entry 08.
Nas is plus 12.
Oh, 08, 96. How many points is that? That's 12 points.
That's Nas.
Alrighty then. Who? Nas?
Nas.
Make 12 points?
Yeah, he's plus 12 right now.
Plus 12. That's beautiful. You know, it's okay to jump the gun a little bit here. You get him with such a tough action today. You know, taking 12 points on this main play. That's not too shabby, is it, Mystique?
Not too shabby at all.
Alrighty then. Alright. But, okay. As long as we have the odds as to what the price is going to continue doing, then it's up to the astute trader to manage his position, right? Everybody has a different position, right?
Right.
We trade 10 contracts here, 9 or 12. That's 444, 333, and get out, right? Peel out 3 plus 1, right? Target 1, target 2, target 3, and last target, right? All right. So what's target 2? What do you think? 87. Oh my God, how about 90? 90 is stronger. It's an even stronger double bottom. Worry about it. Log if you want, but target 2 is 87. Okay, as a matter of fact, let's go ahead and write it. That's target 2. Okay, so 87, we are expecting another bounce, target 2, and that's going to be another counter trend long, unless things change by the time it gets there, right? You be on standby and wait for me to tell you. All right. So the shore 08 that we've been waiting all morning long, target 1, 94, target 2, 87. You love your P&L and you want to go play tennis and get out and don't risk anymore, that's okay with me. Alrighty. Okay. Pretty good, right? It's 94 quarter, right? We all know that this is target 1 again. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we just hit the low of our 1 point range, 93, 94, right? Target 1. This is the low right here, right? Okay. So 93, right? From 08.
15 points.
That's right. Do the math. Okie dokie. All right. So this is target 1, ladies and gentlemen, again. And this is very important that we understand the following. All right. That drop that I was talking about since 9 a.m. is this one right here. Okay. So this is it. Okay. So, and remember what I told you a little while ago. 93 is going to be again another counter trend long. However, this time we have no main play anymore. Okay? Yeah, sure. We are sure 08, target 1, we already locked 14, 15 points here, right? And we're going to let it ride all the way to target 2, 87, right? Okay? But the strategy now is to stop, break even, and start trailing. Start trailing. If the trail takes your stop, I'm pretty sure we're going to be done, because this is, my friends, it's getting even tougher to read. Okay? All right, here we go. All right, so those of you who took again 93 counter trend long, right? Price goes to 97. That's 4 points. You never let a winner turn into a loser, right?
Right.
Get that? You know that this is it. Let's go 87. So now we're just gonna manage our main plate short all the way to 87. We're not counter trending long here, 90. Right? We're gonna let it ride to 87, and I believe I have another support below 87, right? Look at that break. Doesn't get any beautiful than that, right? Clean break of 87. Price is gonna continue going to 80. We've known that since 8 this morning. All right, so
Wrote it down.
all right, so the first king,
Nas.
exactly. So the first leg, short 08, target 193, and let's go ahead and pulse it out. This 87, okay?
Nas is plus 20, lock.
Okay, all right. So, oh my God, Capi.
87 half hit.
All right. So, I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, Mister.
87 hit.
But
Target two.
yeah, that's what I was gonna ask you. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is that 87?
Correct.
And look how 87 stopped call the price. It's one of our targets. What do you think is gonna happen? Oh my God, Capi, I'm not gonna take the counter trend low, man, because you just said that that drop that you were expecting is this one, and it's over. Just to stop, break even, start trailing, right? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we're going to 80 then. Yeah, that's right. 87, 80. They're both target. They're both target 2. All right. So what's the mid range of 80, 87? 83, 84, right? Okay. All right. So the mid range, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be right here. And then 80, then yes, we'll consider going counter trend long. The low of this, look at this. This is a huge range. 80, 87. Are you kidding?
Yeah.
All righty. All right. In the meantime, we are enjoying this. Remember, at the beginning, everybody thought, oh my God, Capi, this guy is an idiot. He's trading against the trend, man. The price is going up, man. Oh my God, this guy is shorting. He's shorting. That's what the haters are gonna say when they see this video. Until they see the drop. All right. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, razor sharp entry short 08, target 193, target 2 80, 87, mid range is right here 84, 83, okay? Okay, mid range right here. So, okay, so, right, 83, 84, right? There we go, 83, 84. Okay. Hey, Capi, can I go long the mid-range as a counter trend, of course? Yeah, sure you can, but it's an aggressive counter, right? But absolutely, you know, we're going to 80, okay? And that's 80 is target 2. We still have target 3, right? Which I don't have it yet, but I'm looking for it everywhere. All righty. Right? Look at the 84, 83, stopping it for the counter trend long, right? All righty. That's right. We're gonna get a lot of pissed off teenagers, right? You know, because they're being unmasked. People are wising up and say, "Oh, you know what? This guy he has a point, man. if I'm going to, if I'm gonna buy one of these little criminals education, prove to me it works. And they will never do that. They will never prove it to you. They want you to buy their crappy course, trading education BS, on a leap of faith, right? So they prey on the innocent. So it's gonna be a whole bunch of pissed off teenagers, man. When we spread the word, hey, listen, have them prove to you by trading live, real time, read the market as is happening, to prove to us that these little kids really know what they're talking about. There's one born every single day. There's a new kid on YouTube. A whole bunch of girly girls and boys, being interviewed. By the way, I've been watching some YouTube thing, and they interview each other. It's unbelievable. They're getting interviewed. Oh my God, interviews. So it adds credibility to their garbage. Okay. Yep, that's right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So look, here it is, 67. All right, 67, ladies and gentlemen, is target 3. But I'm going to tell you the following time right now, right? Look at the time. Oh, my God. Okay, hold on a second. Target 3, 67, right? Okay, so we have the mid-range here. We want to take advantage of the ebb and flow. The flow is this bounce off of the mid-range counter trend long 84. Look at that price going all the way to 90, so that's 6 points. All right, and this is a counter. All right, yes, we still have 67 as target 3, but I'm gonna tell you, time right now it's 11:47. I know it's early, so sure we still are strong, and in terms of letting it ride to target 3. However, there has been since 9 a.m. this morning a lot of changes. Okay, so the odds of our getting 67, they're still there, but they're not as high as they were this morning. Okay, right? Boom, 80. All right. Okay, so target 2, lower range achieved. And we all know that, of course, look at the time. It's 11:15. You know that as time passes, volatility decreases, and then the odds of having a trade worked out with momentum diminish, right? So, yeah, sure, this is the low of target 2. And we believe that there's going to be a counter trend, like we always do. Target 1, target 2, and target 3. Counter trend long. But we have to be careful because of the time. 11:15, number 1. And number 2, we're going to target 3, which is 67. Is it going to take all day? So be it. I don't have to go play tennis. So target 2 officially taken. And on our way to target 367. Right? So okay, let's go ahead and do this, right? Okay, so target 280 officially achieved. That's 80 from our the absolute top 08. That's 28 points for target 2. Not to mention the little counter trends that we're taking, all right? And now it's just a matter of letting it ride all the way to target 367. However, look at the time, and we all know that as the time passes, then the volatility diminishes, and the odds of getting our targets, of course, are far away. But if you don't have to play tennis, stop, break even, let it ride. Monday, X. Okay, hold on a second. Right here. All right, so we're going to let it ride a little longer, but I'm out of here. Remember that okay, let's see. All right, time right now, 11:22. But it's just, I don't need to hold your hand anymore. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, enough for today. Remember, there are a lot of traders want to be desperate to teach you. They want to sell you a crappy course, a bogus trading education, right? It's okay. I don't have any problem with that, as long as they prove it to you. Remember, these little criminals, they prey on the innocent, all right, and the good people that really want to learn this. So there is a lot of pissed off teenagers out there that we are exposing them. Hey, listen, you're a big shot, you girl, little girl that you've just been trading 4 years, so you say. Well, prove to me before I buy your crappy course. Prove to me, right? It's a lot of them. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Continue coming down. And just let it ride. Okay? See you all tomorrow.